set this here. And we're gonna grab some filters, go downstairs, change a filter, and turn the furnace back on. Exactly. It's actually off. Switch down here. I just raised the temperature, so after I change this filter, adjust this dehumidifier here. I honestly don't think it's working that well. I was going to set my tripod up for this, but nah. It's in the garage and too much trouble. This needs its filter changed, I think. Yep. Kinda. That's the color of the concrete, that's the color of the filter. So, yeah, she's pretty dirty. There's the new ones. So we're just gonna slide one of these buggers out of there. 16 by 25 by 1. That drops right down in there. Not my favorite setup. Not my favorite setup, but let's go ahead and turn this furnace back on. You're going to hear the blower kick in because I have it set to recirculate air. Ventilator motor. But let's see how blue these flames are down here. Thank goodness for Goodman, I guess. Here's a glow bar. We have liftoff. Nice pretty blue flame in there. Say everything's running good. I'm going to give it a couple seconds and the blower speed should kick up. Not much to this one. I think this is the base, bottom of the line, Goodman unit. There goes the blower. Pretty quiet. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put the cover back on and get rid of that dirty filter there. Looks like there's not even a filter there compared to the concrete, but catch everybody later.